So let's add an item. So we'll click on this. Gives you a big blurb about print on demand. It's important if you're wanting to do print on demand that you have a good quality image. If you have a low quality image, then your sizes will be very limited and maybe not even good enough at all. Alright, so let's select an image here. We'll do this one here. It's one of the wood burning mixed media pieces that I've done. So it's a large file. It is 30 megabytes, but you can see how quickly it is uploading. It'll just take a second to process it here. Alright, so once you've uploaded the photo, it'll just go here and it'll say edit required. So it won't be actually posted to your shop yet. So we'll click on that. Alright, so this item is ready to be completed. It'll appear on ArtPal when this form is complete. So here we'll give it a name. This is actually Vimy Ridge in Waterton Lakes National Park. And here, I'm just going to add a quick description. This is a mixed, but I would add a longer description if I was actually going to post this. I'd encourage you to have a nice description, maybe including some of your process. If you have a video showing what you did to do it, post that in here too. Same with keywords. Having good keywords is important. So this is in the Rocky Mountains. It's in Alberta. Between each, I'm putting commas. So you can put what it is, what you used to make it. We'll just leave it as that for now, but there's a 500 character limit, so add as many as you can. You can decide where you want this to be posted in your gallery. I'm just going to leave it as the first position. And here, if you had different galleries for, sculptures, paintings, drawings, stuff like that, that's where you could decide which one it goes in. Is it safe for children and work? Yes, this image is safe. Category. So I've chosen different categories before, so it has some ones that are up there for me, but let's get this drop down menu here. So you can see all the different types here. I'm going to say it is a painting still. And so paintings and prints, subcategory, landscapes and nature, and it is mainly of mountains. So there's a ton of different categories on there. If not, there's always like an other category. Now here you can see there's a print on demand. So I'm going to select that. And so does it look incorrect in any way? Nope. Does it show a watermark, have poor cropping, or show anything that shouldn't be printed? Nope. That's looking pretty good. And that's looking pretty good too. So then you can say activate print on demand. Otherwise you could say activate later and you could get a better quality image. Or if you're not going to, then just press that too. Alright, so print on demand is good. You can edit your profits here, but mine is still just the same. And then you can select originals and your own prints. So this is where I'm going to say original artwork. There's retail, or an additional description if you want to. Something as it is shipped in a cardboard box or reinforced envelope or however. Retail price is optional. I usually just go with the actual price. So I sell these ones, including shipping, for about $125. And you can say original or print. So if you do have your own prints that you're wanting to sell, you can select that. I will go original. Signed, yes. Framed, it's unframed. Stretch canvas, this one's on a piece of wood, so it's unapplicable. The width is about 11 inches by 7.25, and you can change that to inches there. Materials, it is acrylic. Wood. And varnish. Here you can upload additional images if you want to have different angles. I've got some, but I won't bother doing that right now. Just know that here you can add those. And then your shipping cost. So for me, I usually like to include shipping to Canada and the United States. Me being based in Canada, it's fairly similar prices to ship in Canada and the US, but for everywhere else, once you get shipping across seas, overseas, it gets pretty expensive. And so for something like this, I would actually probably add about $30 to it, because I do like to insure it, I do like to make sure it's packaged nicely, and I do like to get it there quickly. You can do slow shipping, but it can take months to get overseas, unfortunately. So I do like to do faster ways, so I would say about $30 for this. But you can go on to your postal or whatever carrier you use, and you can get a quote on there for how much that would be. Shipping from and return policy. So here you can choose if you want to move it up for $1 or keep it where it is. I'll keep it where it is for free. And your social, if you want to Facebook auto post or Instagram auto post. Since I have the Twitter auto post already on there, it's already good to go. And then you just hit save changes. There we go. Fix the errors in red. Oh, okay. I didn't just put 0. There we go. And we'll keep that there.